Welcome to Monahans Health and Safety presentation. My name is Anstis and I'm Monahans Health and Safety Consultant, and I also do a health and safety consultancy for our clients dealing with low to high risk clients. And today I actually wanted to talk about risk and reward in health and safety, which sounds a very strange concept but is really applicable to all types of businesses. Now, I found an article from the Telegraph a little while ago which really illustrates about red tape being cut for companies, and it's the intention that lots of health and safety legislation will be changed over the next coming years. Now, currently health and safety legislation means that companies with 5 or more employees have to have health and safety official documentation. Any companies with less employees need to have some type of policy, but it's not necessarily written. Now, what's the implications for that? It means that, for instance, if you have an injury, how do you prove that you had a health and safety policy to protect your staff? If you have the health and safety executive walk into your premises, how do you prove that you've got actually a good health and safety system in place? Now, as the health and safety executive move away, it'll mean that other people will actually step in, and that invariably means insurance companies. Now, I can give you a prime example of why that will be an issue. I'm a treasurer for a village hall, and we hold a fete every year, and during that fete we have a tug of war which everybody enjoys, and there's never been an accident. This year we had a new insurer, and that new insurer was going to charge us an extra £2,000 just to have the tug of war. And naturally we just said no, because it's probably 3 times the actual cost of the actual fete that we make. So we backed away from that, but it illustrates that the insurance companies will be stepping in as the HSE steps backwards. Now, what does that mean for you? It means if you've got good systems in place, you can actually benefit from good health and safety for your company. It means that your staff will know what they're doing, they'll be more efficient, you'll have less downtime, you won't have to investigate accidents, you'll have less accidents and less compensation claims. But it also takes it further, because in the marketplace your reputation will be better within the industry, and also staff will be advocates of you, meaning you also attract better staff, which increases your profitability and efficiency. But taking that step further, you actually have the opportunity to be proactive if you have good health and safety. Now, that sounds obviously getting very strange. More and more companies, larger companies and councils are asking smaller companies to tender for business. Now, that tender process invariably means that you have to fill in details about health and safety. Does your health and safety meet those criteria? A couple of companies I've been working with had fantastic health and safety systems. Their staff are very well treated, they have excellent premises, but they didn't have good health and safety documentation, which meant they lost tenders. I worked with them to improve their documentation, and guess what? They did get those tenders, which means by being proactive and having good systems in place, and also documentation, you can actually win business, which sounds unusual when we talk about health and safety. So I just wanted to leave that for you to have a think about. We can obviously help you with your general health and safety, but also talk about documentation, which you might need when you're looking at tenders going forward to try and win business. So please give us a shout if you'd like to talk to us. My name is Anstis, and obviously the contact details will be on our website. Thanks very much.